I've been calling you guys because I have your backs. Yes, I've been looking for you guys because I care about you. Yes, I have you around me. I have you close to me. But it's hard for me to hold your hands. I hardly see your presence. We're in the same circle, but it feels like we're in different circles. You guys said you loved me. You cared about me. You got my back just because I said all those words first. I know you. And I know you well. Yes, you guys know me. But you don't know me well. You saw me smiling and you said it's not hurting. I saw you laughing and I said let's talk. I know it's hurting. You asked me several times, how did I know you were hurting? How did I see that pain behind your laugh? I never answered. Guys, have you ever asked yourselves why I never answered? I drowned to death while you said you were holding me. While you said you got my back. You said I was eating while I was not, but we were in the same table. You never realized that. I guess you never realized any of those signs. But some stranger made you realize when it was too late to save. Yes, I guess you never realized the skin flourishing. But some stranger made you realize when it was only the bones left. I feel lost. I feel empty. I feel betrayed. But at least you once made me happy. You once made me feel that love. Why do I feel alone? Well, I have people around.